In this video, I'm going to show you how to share Facebook post on Instagram. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Facebook and then you can scroll down your posts feed and let's say I want to share that post to my friend on Instagram. All I have to do in that case is tap right here at share button. It opens up that options where I have to tap at more options and then just hit right here at copy to copy link on that post to my clipboard. Now I can hop out Facebook and open up Instagram. Then I can hit add DMs, open up some conversation, then double tap at text field, hit paste, hit allow paste, and then just tap on send to send the link on this post to Instagram conversation. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.